Hey y'all, welcome to Aromagees Botanica. Make sure you like and subscribe. Today I want to talk a little bit about the magical properties of blackberry leaf. In many American folk magic traditions, blackberry leaf is used to return evil back to the one who sent it. So if you're familiar with return to sender spells, consider using some blackberry leaf if you want to do those spells. It's also got properties of abundance, prosperity, so you definitely can use it in money spells. And not just drawing in money from traditional sources. If you want your investments to be a little bit heftier, so making your money work for you, definitely use blackberry leaf. And sometimes it can be used as a protective herb, and it's associated with the powers of elemental water, femininity, the divine feminine, and the goddess Brigit. And if you'd like to get some of this, come on over to www.aromageesbotanica to get some. Or visit us in person. We're at 223 Donaldson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. Thanks so much for visiting.